Let's start the Qur'an together. This is Alif. It's silent. Just say Alif. Next is Ba. Press your lips. Ba. Now Ta. Touch your tongue to your teeth. Ta. Repeat with me. Alif, Ba, Ta.
Start Lesson 2 for learning Qaida. The letter Sa appears in bold with a bright sun icon. The letter glows and bounces slightly. The letter Jim slides in with a cartoon camel walking under it. The letter Ha floats in with a beating heart icon next to it.
Start Lesson 3 for learning Qaida. Letter Ha appears in bold with a bright sun icon. The letter glows and bounces slightly. Letter Dal slides in with a cartoon camel walking under it. Letter Zal floats in with a beating heart icon next to it.
Let's start Lesson 4. This is Ra. Roll your tongue. Ra. Now, Za, like a buzzing bee. Za. Next is Seen, soft S sound. Seen. And Sheen, add a sh. Sheen.
Qaida Lesson 5. This is Sod. Press your tongue. Sod. Now, Dod. It's heavy and deep. Dod. Next is Ta. Strong T. Ta. And Tha. Like Za, but thicker. Tha. Join our online Qaida class today.